How to close your eBay account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's video I will show you how you can close or delete your eBay account. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you want to close or delete your eBay account, what you need to do is to just go ahead and first of all you can launch your browser and then go to ebay.com, or you can also simply do this from the application. In this case I'll just choose the ebay.com process, and make sure that you are signed into your account. After you are signed in, what you need to do is to tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and once you tap on it, at the bottom you'll find the option called account. So you just need to go ahead and then tap on it. Once you go to accounts, right over here under account preferences you'll find the option that says close account. So all you need to do is to go ahead and then tap on the close account section, and as you do that you'll be able to see all of the disclaimer and pop-ups that how you can go ahead and then close your account if you want to. Now you can ignore all of this and then simply scroll down to the bottom, and here you'll find the option called close account. So just tap on it in order to confirm the changes again. Once you do that, over here it'll give you some of the reasons as to why you want to leave it. So once you select your reason, you can simply go ahead and then simply tap on the option that says I want to close my eBay account, agree to the terms, and then tap on the submit button. And once you do that, you would have successfully deleted your eBay account. That's all it takes to delete your eBay account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.